Black's objective here is to kill white here on the corner. These 3 black stones are all going to die. So the main challenge is to make them into a dead shape for white. And white's eye space is very big. White has an 8-space eye here on the corner, and black will eventually have to force white to fill in these 2 intersections. So that's black's goal, to make a dead shape here on the corner and make white fill in these 2 intersections. So intuitively, black would want to try something like this, hoping white will capture. Now black can Atari, white connects. Even after 1 and 3, this is still a bit of a challenge for black. What should black do next to avoid the seki and avoid a living shape? So there are only 5 points to try, and we can try all of them. If black plays here, then white can easily make 2 eyes at number 6 by capturing black. If black plays here at the 2-2 point, white can throw in here. Otherwise, black will be able to make a bulky 5 shape, like this. So now we actually know that number 6 is actually the key point, right? Because no matter where black plays, this 2-1 point will prove to be a key point. So now if white plays something like this, then this will be a bulky 5 shape. White eventually will have to fill in this mutual liberty. Similarly, if white plays here, black can connect. White plays here, or this throw in, black can capture. And this will become a rapidly 6 shape. It's not a very common shape in life and death problems, but I also introduced it in chapter 2. So this way, black can succeed after 1, 3, and 5. But the problem, once again, is sequence. After number 1, white can actually give up these 2 white stones and make a bent 4 shape this way. And now white is perfectly alive after sacrificing these 2 stones. So black's number 1 is actually the wrong sequence. Similarly, playing here will not work. It seems like white cannot play this, right? Now, black can actually play this move. It's a really neat move because this is a snapback. And if white captures this way, black can capture here. If white captures here, now black can capture this. And eventually black can get white to fill in at 4 and 8. And now we can return to this rapidly 6 shape where white is dead. But this sequence is still wrong because white's number 2 can be right here. And now if black captures, we're back to the bent 4 shape. If black connects here, white captures, now we're back to a living shape for white. There will be no bulky 5 or rapidly 6 shape. So that is why black's first move should be here at the 2-1 point, which is the key point for this problem. Now, even if white tries to preserve this eye, black still has enough moves to force white to fill in here. And now, because black has already occupied number 1, black can make this into a bulky 5 shape or a rapidly 6 shape. So 1, 3, 5 is actually the correct sequence for this problem. Overall, finding this move at the 2-1 point and making white's 8-space eye into a bulky 5 shape or a rapidly 6 shape is not easy. And the second challenge to this problem is the sequence. Because if black Ataris first, because if black Ataris here or here, white can simply try to sacrifice these 2 stones and make a living shape instead. So that is why playing here as the first move is extremely important. I hope you enjoyed this pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.